Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,